Your Google Pixel 10 comes with access to millions of apps through the Play Store, making it easy to download games, tools, and everything in between. Here's how to search, install, and manage apps on your device. From the home screen, swipe up to open the Apps menu. Scroll down and tap Play Store. On the Play Store homepage, you'll see recommendations in categories like games, apps, and books. You can also browse by tapping Top Charts, where you'll find top free, top grossing, and top paid apps. If you're looking for something specific, tap the search icon at the bottom, and the search bar will appear at the top. Type in the app you want. For example, Angry Birds. Select it from the suggestions, or tap the magnifying glass to search. Tap the app you want, then tap Install if it's free. For paid apps, tap the price tag to purchase. Once installed, you can tap Play to open it right away, or tap Uninstall if you want to remove it later. This is especially useful if you want to quickly try out new games, download productivity apps for work, or install streaming apps for entertainment. The Play Store keeps all your downloads in one place, making it easy to manage. If this video helped you install apps more easily, please give it a like or watch another video to learn even more ways to get the most out of your Pixel 10.